Okay, we're going to install the Git repository. So pretty much all straightforward. Sudo apt git git CIS4335. Oh, well, excuse me. Okay. Oh, ha ha ha. You know, it helps if you actually do the right thing. Install Git. Duh. Okay, cool. Oh, Git is already installed, so I don't have to do anything. Okay, cool. So, yay, it's already done. The first thing we're going to do is what's going to call initialize it. Now, the Git repository, using Git is a fantastic tool. First of all, it's extraordinarily portable. It doesn't require you have like a web service set up or a website or a server or anything. You can put a Git repository on a thumb drive, you know, a USB flash drive, and carry it around with you in your pocket. Or in this case, we're just going to have it put the Git repository right smack dab in our home directory. It's okay. So I'm going to do the Git command to do the initial run, which is just git init. And so it created me a brand new thing called Git. Okay, cool. And then one thing you need to do is, if you're going to have, one of the things you can do is add all the files, except I don't actually have any files. Yes, I do. I've got SHs. Right? I want to add these three guys, okay? I want to add these guys to my repository. So I'd say git add sh. Now, typically what you would do is you would go and get all the folders. In fact, I'm going to do this right. Doggone it. Just give me a minute. I'm going to do a make dir bin. And then I'm going to move all those SHs into bin. Okay? Cool. So now if I go to bin and get there's my SHs. So then what I would do is I would say git add dot, which basically, you know, if I'd spell, I'd be okay. Git add dot. Okay, what that basically did is said use the current directory and put everything in version control for me. Now, are they gone? No. Well, no, they're not gone or anything like that. So now, if I want to check out a command, I could use git checkout. Okay? Or you can do this with VI. You know, a lot of times when you connect to whatever you're trying to do, you're making a change to something. Like I want to make a change, so I want to do a checkout. Okay, and then I want to edit this guy. And then I don't know what I'm doing. Demo. I don't know, something. I just need to make some changes of a loop. Okay, I made a change. So now what I want to do is I want to check this guy in. So checking it out of the library is checkout, and to put it back in is called commit. Now commits typically require some sort of a comment. You can't just commit. You got to tell why you did this, okay? So I'm going to say git commit there it is, junk sh -m, and then modified the comment. Yikes! Oh. Yeah, okay. I haven't configured. See, remember I talked about it tells you who made the change, and apparently I'm missing the user email thing. So doggone it. And I guess I have to do this. So git config global emit gray. Ooh. I'm not sure that's going to happen. Yeah, Qt is not a section anyway. So they really wanted user name. Dang it. Oh, I don't have the editing turned on like that. Remember we talked about the VI command? I don't have that turned on. Okay, cool. Name. Dang, keyboard, behave! Whew. Okay, now I can go back to the commit guy. I can't get it. Alright, whatever. I was unsuccessful at getting that guy to work. Anyway, the point here is that's how you commit. You commit something and you tell it what changes you made. Yay! And then, of course, you can do a status, which in our case probably isn't going to tell me much of at all what's going on. Tells me everything that's in the Git tree. Oh, because I initialized Git at the top, I'm actually at the wrong place. Okay, I should have been inside the bin directory and then done the initialize, so I actually screwed it up. Okay, this is all the things that it thinks are in the library, but they're not because I made a mistake. Okay, so a couple more things we need to deal with that relates specifically to your homework assignment. You have an upcoming homework assignment that's going to be asking you to determine what what hour it is. So, we talked about the date command, right? That oh man, sorry, just plain old date. Okay, cool, right? But if I wanted to get just the hour, how do you do that? Well, there's a thing you can do. You can say plus %h. Okay, hey, I don't know why. And 16. Now this is set to universal coordinated time. Okay, maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you want to actually set the time zone relative to you, because 16 doesn't mean anything to me. Because that looks like 4 o'clock to me, but not in universal time. So there's nothing you can do is you can set the time zone. TZ is equal to :US/central, like that. Okay? So now if I do the date command over a second time, it didn't work. Well, inside a script, this would work because it's a matter of scope, where you set the time zone and do your thing. Okay. So trust me, it works inside your shell script because the time zone guy is a apparently is a real honest to God environmental variable. I don't see it. No. Okay, well then I don't know where that guy is. Oh well. Let me get back to where we're going. Anyway, set the time zone and then you do the date command and it should behave. The next thing you have to do is if you want to pause an active thing, use the sleep command. So for example, if I said sleep 5, okay? Now watch, when I hit return, it's not immediately going to pop back, it's just going to wait 5 seconds. Ding! And it comes back. So those are the two things you need to know. How to pull the hour out of the date, how to set the time zone, even though I couldn't get that to work. And then how to do the sleep command. Cool. Okay, that is all you need to know, I think, for the homework assignment. And that's the end of the lecture for this time. And we'll see you guys again in some future video.